Okay, so for my last technology, I chose to go with Flipgrid because I had realized I'd been using Flipgrid various times throughout my academic experience here at Fort Hayes, but I've never actually created a Flipgrid. And so I wanted to explore the educator side of things. So let's see, the title for my Flipgrid is going to be Drama 1 Reflection. I will ask my students to reflect on our time together this semester. What was a high point? What was a low? Tell me your favorite lesson. And share any feedback for Mr. Hall. I would want to record a video, but I don't know that it'll let me do that while I'm also recording on Screencast-O-Matic. Permissions, I love it. Okay. Essentials, topic moderator. Awesome. So basically it is just giving me the ability to set everything up. Okay, so Flipgrid, predominantly I would want to use for my drama class. If we go remote, I think I mentioned this in another Flipgrid assignment, I would want to use it to have my kids submit their monologues so that they get to still interact with me and still perform, even though it's not to me live, but rather to their screen. I also might use this in my forensics class because our forensics season is officially virtual, I believe, and so getting them to start practicing recording through Flipgrid. And also I love that it collects all of our responses together and it gives me a time limit. So those are all really good tools, I think. Students obviously are my audience, as well as myself. Purpose, multiple purposes. And then what was the other question I was to ask? Yeah, okay. So that's all I have. Flipgrid, I think, will be a really useful tool in the event that we have to go remote. So awesome. Thank you.